Hi, this is the fifth scenario in module 8, pivoting the data and load into a table. So this is the first method using the T-SQL. So we have the data like a salesperson ID, sales year and amount, and we have couple of records, and we want to convert this data into the matrix form so that the salesperson ID and the years would be the columns next to it, and the sales amount is aggregated as the value of year column. So this is the flat data, and we have pivoted structure of this data. So let's jump into the demonstration. I have already prepared this package, and we are using the SQL execute SQL command to truncate that destination table. I have configured this using the OLEDB, and truncate command is there. We have the data flow task. Inside data flow task, we have ADO.NET source, and we are using this query to pivot the data. Let's see the query. This is the query. So we have used this pivot in T-SQL. So the flat data is coming from this query. We have couple of records there, and then using this as a subquery to use and apply the pivot. So we are applying the sum on sales amount. So this is the aggregation to sum the sales amount for sales year in 2019 and 2020. So 2019 and 2020 has become the column next to the salesperson ID, which is our key. So this is the query to pivot the data. So we have converted this flat data into the pivoted data. So this is the complete query we can use, or we can write in T-SQL and use in SSIS to read the data and then load into the destination. So we have used this query. It produces these columns: salesperson ID 2019 2020, and then we have the OLEDB destination. Here we have the OLEDB connection manager and the destination table sales by year, and we have mapped it. So in destination table we have one more column -1, but in source we have excluded that. We are reading the data for 2019 and 2020, so I have ignored this column. So when we execute this package, we will see that the pivoted table is loaded with data. You can see this is the table, pivoted table, and we have the data. 9 records are there, as SSIS package is showing that 9 records were loaded. So this is how we can use and write the T-SQL command to perform the pivoting of the data, and simply we can load that data into the destination table.